Hello YouTube friends and fans, welcome to my problem today. Here's the solution, and partially what's creating it's the two trees, all the TV, all the electronics. You're all used to it, so stick around. I'll modify this, make it fit my situation, and show you why and tell you why I did what I did. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So what we have there is a 12 outlet, 4 foot long. It actually measures almost 49 inches power strip. My plan here, don't know how well it's going to show up, but this is 2 pieces of metal right here at this tab. So plan is take out all the screws, and then I'll make 2 different pieces of metal here. And I will have to relocate with a plug entrance, but that'll pop apart, no problem. Worst case scenario, it may be soldered together, and I might have to resolder it, but I shouldn't have any issues. So the plan is to cut it right before the screw here, bend this piece of metal down to make the cover that's already on it, and the back I just got to cut off to the length I want, which isn't going to be any issue, and drill a hole for mounting. So let me take you to the garage and let's get started. Alrighty, so like we said earlier, we're going to take the screws out. Well, they're not very big, guys, 1/4 inch at best. Beautiful, just as I thought. So now, just got to cut this off here. It's actually got almost pre-marked for me. So, excellent, excellent, excellent. That was the least of my concerns. So that's soldered to terminal, not a huge big deal. Alrighty, we know where we want this to measure out at, which is 47 total. That's how much room I have on the stand behind the TV. We'll mount it. Going to mount it directly to the TV. Damn it. Sure don't want to stay on there, that's for sure. Marking it at 46.5 because the flange will be just under a 1/2 inch sticking out. Now, time to unsolder some connections so we can move this down. And we'll move this plug directly above here. So it'll be running right in beside that switch. Wires will have to be probably shortened just a hair. Use a rag to cool it down so that it doesn't melt too much insulation that doesn't need to be melted. Next, we need to undo this plug. Squeeze there with the pliers, and out it comes. So This will easily go back in. Just got to pinch it when we go on over. So we'll set the cord aside. Time to do a little snip with the grinder here. So what I want to do now is have this fold in. And with that being said, I've got to do a little measurement here on the tail. Figure out how long this is going to be. So from here to here is about 1/3. So we're going to go out 1 3/8. So what I've got here will come straight up. I'm going to leave this little lip right here. So all that's going to disappear. And I'll probably leave this little tab here so I can just kind of gently tack this with a welder. Wish me luck on that later. Alright, so we're going to bend this edge up, so I got a place for that here in a little bit. Really, I could bend this by hand, but that was pretty easy there. So you should be able to see there, just enough room to get the wiring in. Really just going to tack weld this in spots. It's so thin, I can't weld it. So I stuck 2 pieces of wood in here to take up the gap, which pretty much takes up the entire hole correctly. Now we're just gonna try drilling it to match. I have to give it a guide hole to start. Broke my weld. So I'll finish it off with a step drill bit. Not there yet. We are close. That's the ticket. So that'll go. Just got to retack that. And now we're on to almost final assembly. Last thing I got to do here, other than solder that back in, is cut this to length. Not a problem. That'll work. Time to put the cord back through. It just slides apart in case you missed it before. Ta-da! Now we just got to finagle these guys around and solder them in place. So we got it welded up here with a little tab for the ground, so all the metal's grounded, and we're basically ready to go. Hopefully you can see that. Just got to put screws back in, and project's complete. We'll put a couple in place. Test out the system. I haven't plugged it in, so you'll see what I see. One thing about it, this would be real easy to over tighten. I say it's a success. Not the prettiest, but should be highly effective. So back here behind the TV is the final home of the power strip. Got my trees plugged in. Let's see how well we did. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and see you around.